Hello everyone, Sovereign and Supreme here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a short and sweet template to raise your vibration in 5 guarantee methods. So number 1, smile. It takes less muscles and energy than frowning, and it's very great for how you feel on the inside out. Number 2, drink water. While this one is deceptively simple, it is something that most people neglect and are actually quite adverse towards. So drink water, keep your vibration high, and clear your mind. Number 3, make sure that you are consuming positive quality content every day, preferably when you first wake up and when you're about to go to sleep. Number 4, realize that the people you attract into your life is a direct result of your own vibration. Like attracts like. And number 5, last but not least, take a meditate sun weekly. That is a pun. Meditate sun. If not every day, do so weekly to keep your vibration high and soak in some quality, vibrant, robust vitamin D. So once again, smile, drink water, consume positive quality content on a daily basis, like attracts like, and take a meditate sun out in nature, absorbing that vitamin D. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that this encouraged you to raise your vibration, and I am hoping that you found some real value out of this video.